Hi, you were wondering what is the best service in the best web hosting category. Having analyzed more than 20 hosting sites, I chose the most effective one for myself. It has all the features regarding speed, safety, support, and reliability. I have been using this hosting for about 6 years and it has never let me down. I will leave the link to the official website under this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and also watch our other videos. Take a closer look at the screen we are starting.
Names.co.uk offers domain names at an attractive price, especially those aimed at UK users. Unfortunately, the cost of its shared hosting solutions is not attractive enough to justify the lack of features that are usually included in similar companies. It also offers a range of web hosting solutions designed for all kinds of network businesses. Names.co.uk currently exists as part of a Team.blue, the European technology hub that emerged from the merger of Combell Group, TransIP Group and Register Group in 2019. Team.blue operates in more than 15 countries in Europe. Team.blue operates in more than 15 countries in Europe and operates under several brand names including Combell, Hosting Ireland, SuperHosting, TransIP and Simply.com. The official site is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate. It also offers a lot of information about its products, although this cannot be said about the company itself, particularly its infrastructure. The site has a blog replete with tips and tricks, but it hasn't seen any updates or new content since the summer of 2021. Social media fans can find names.co.uk on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. Names.co.uk is going into overdrive to cover all its Cloud-B customers by providing a range of solutions, including shared hosting, email hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, reseller hosting, and dedicated server hosting. It also offers domain name registration, Microsoft 365, SSL certificates, site lock, website creation tools, web design, management, and online marketing services. All plans are presented in handy comparison tables, one beside the other with their main features. The most convenient option is the cPanel Shared Hosting, a program called Starter, which for £5.9 per month it will give you one site and 50 GB of storage space, unlimited bandwidth, 2 databases of 500 MB, 10 email accounts, and a free domain name. Unfortunately, if you need an SSL certificate, you have to pay extra for it. Names.co.uk does not offer a money-back guarantee upfront, but under the Consumer Contracts Regulations 2013, you can request a refund within 14 days of purchase, and there's a good chance you'll get one. Names.co.uk accepts payments via credit cards, debit cards, checks, and BACS. Unfortunately, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Amazon Pay are not supported. Most domains are reasonably priced, and if you choose an annual hosting plan, you can get it for free for the first year. The domain proxy service will be pre-selected by default, so be sure to deselect it if you don't need it. Either way, this service is reasonably priced, considering it covers an entire year, and it's always wise to stay safe. After that, you'll be prompted to include a few additional services for an additional fee. However, the SSL certificate can cost you from £65.99 per year, which increases the total cost so much that the plan no longer looks pocket-friendly. To complete your purchase, you'll need to create an account at names.co.uk, and it's as easy as it gets, though you'll have to provide a bit more information than usual. Once the payment is made, you'll be taken to names.co.uk's user-friendly dashboard, where you can manage your account, bill and purchase services, contact customer support, and view other services offered. Given that names.co.uk offers several control panels, if you're even somewhat familiar with any of them, you'll have no problem managing all areas of your newly created website. All plans come with a one-click installer that supports more than 100 user-friendly applications, including WordPress, PrestaShop, Joomla, Drupal, and OpenCart. However, if you purchase the WordPress hosting plan, it will come pre-installed. Alternatively, you can use the simple website builder names.co.uk, and if you're short on time, you can purchase the Build Me a Website service. As for uptime, Names.co.uk guarantees 99.99% uptime with all of its shared hostings and managed dedicated server solutions, and 99.9% of that with unmanaged and cloud servers. If Names.co.uk cannot provide guaranteed uptime, users can claim between 10% and 50% free credit, depending on how much downtime their sites have in a particular month. However, the 99.99% guarantee excludes failures caused by scheduled maintenance and does not cover rest due to hardware failure, network attacks, account lockout, or errors made by users themselves. If you encounter a problem with Names.co.uk products or just want to get information, the first thing to do is visit the support center. There you'll find a knowledge base full of instructions, a web status page, a link to the official blog, and the ability to submit a support ticket. The instructions themselves are written in a step-by-step style and usually include suitable screenshots. However, if you prefer to contact a Names.co.uk support agent, you can do so by phone in the UK and through the ticket-based support system. No, online chat is still not available for Names.co.uk. It should also be noted that users can access customer support or technical support directly from their control panel, saving time. You can also contact the Names.co.uk team via Facebook and Twitter, but the support you can get there is limited, so we advise against contacting there if you need technical assistance.